shop today. I got the parts washer and I got the valve covers. I already hit this one, dumped it in there, hit it with the brush good. So I'm just getting it up in all these grommets with the brush. Just getting all the excess oil and junk in there. But that's about it for today. Alright, what's up everyone? Today is a sad day. It's going to be the last day the old 2 valve is running. It's a blessing and a curse. But tomorrow I'm starting to pull the motor. The 4 valve is about to be complete. I'll tell you what. Heads are in, cans are in. I'm going to throw that bad boy together. We got to get this motor out. I got someone come by it on Saturday, which is probably the day I post this. And then what else I got to do? And then that's when the hard part starts. Got to start rewiring, start doing fuel lines, fuel pump, all that headache. But I'm excited, so I'm gonna get a few good shots of the car and then take her around for a rip, and then call it a night. Deuces. Well, this is the last time two-stepping it. Let's see if we can get any cars to go off. Here we go. Damn, nothing. All right, that was a good try. Valid effort. What is up, everyone? We're back at it again in the garage. We're in the garage. You're supposed to look at the camera. Hey, and we are live. Back day 2, pulling the motor. Let me give you a sneak peek. So we started a little bit. We're just unplugging all this junk. We got to get this wiring harness out of here, get all these hoses off, and then we need to get a strap on this bad boy tonight because the guy's coming tomorrow, and I'm not trying to wake up at 7 in the morning tomorrow. So yeah, we'll see you, but I'll let you know when we get most of it done, and I'll take a video and stuff. All right, so we got the car in jacks. Took the wheels off, took the inner fender out, got the front bumper off. We're only doing all this so we get more room to pull the motor out. So now we just got the fenders to come off, and we'll start unplugging stuff. I'll probably rip this bad boy off too. All right, so got the first fender off. I'll show you all here in a second, but moving along nicely. I called in backup. There's Ryan, and there's Wyatt. But got this fender off. Hopefully we remember where all the bolts go. And then we got that fender. But moving along nicely here. It's cool without fenders. It's never gonna run again. It's never gonna run this good.
Dang. Say goodbye.
Hopefully it runs one day.
One day.
Alright. Drain the oil. Over there. And now we're gonna drain the coolant. I'm not too sure how to do that exactly, but we're gonna figure it out. I'm pretty sure there's just a drain plug somewhere down here, but I'm gonna drain it so I get it completely dry and start tearing this stuff apart. All right, I found this hose right here, so I'm just gonna keep yanking on it, and a bunch of coolant should fall out of here. Oh, yep, there we are. Just like that. Yep, all that Yep. It's gonna look something like that. Dang. My bad, Dan. It's like water. Alright, we're gonna push her out, clean up, and then reposition. You can tell the motor looks a lot cleaner without all that junk. Took a little bit, but we went ahead and ripped her on out. Looking pretty good. I honestly don't know what's next. I'm gonna just have to look and see what's connected and go from there. But yeah, so here it is. Peace. Alright, so I'm sorry I'm not taking such good videos just because I'm kind of in a time crunch here. So we got the YouTube video going, and I'm just trying to move fast here. I gotta get this engine out in like T-minus 8 hours, so sorry I didn't get the best video here, but as you see, we jacked the car. We basically got everything on top all off, so we're all good there. Threw the car up. Now it's time to get, we got the exhaust off, so I unbolted the straight pipe from the headers, and now the video was saying something about doing the AC compressor and the power steering, and yeah, so once I figure out exactly what I'm doing, I'm gonna bring you guys down there too, so I don't give you guys some like fake news, but stay with us. It's only getting better from here. All right, my bad guys. I told you I'd keep you updated, but like I said, I only got a few hours to pull this whole motor. So got all the electrical junk off, all that jazz. Got some electrical on the bottom of the motor and the trans pulled off. Clutch cables off. This thing, oh my goodness. These bolts over here were so tight. Let me tell you something. If you have a torch, just break that bad boy out, because I was literally stuck on this for freaking hours. But it's finally out. Pulled the drive shaft out. About to take those trans bolts out. Sorry, I'm getting bad video, but I'm kind of beat right now. Yeah, so this motor is getting pulled tomorrow early morning. I ain't got no time to spare. But let me tell you here, this motor only take a day and a half to pull. I'll tell you what, brother. Alright, what's up everyone? Day number 2 or 3. We have to start because like I said, I'm in a rush. I got the guy coming in 2 hours and the motor is still looking like this. But we started ripping her out, and it's kind of difficult because we only got this strap, so it's a little more difficult to rig it, but his dad was a professional rigger, so it's all right. But it's almost out, so stay with us, and you're gonna see this bad boy come out. And check those long tube headers though. Yeah. All right, peace. So, excuse me. So we got it mostly pulled. We're gonna try to readjust the straps, because the straps are kind of funky. Like so, yep, But we're gonna readjust the straps, and we'll go from there. We got the engine apart from the trans. We're gonna get it loaded up in the F-150, but we're kind of making a roadblock. We gotta move all the cars out the way and sneak this truck in there. We'll catch you when we get it in the truck. All right, so I'm gonna end the video there. Motor is out of the 03 GT. Next up, K-member. I have the tubular K. Look how thick this thing is. I'm gonna be shedding a lot of poundage once I get that tubular K in. Had to clean this garage up. I took the hose and put some purple power on it. So now I just got a transmission for sale, some headers, and a bunch of miscellaneous stuff I gotta get rid of now to make some more room in here. But got the motor in the truck, ready for the guy. But that was engine removal of a 03 GT. So thanks for watching. I'll see y'all on the next one. Deuces.